Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing and reviewing a massage gun that's packed with features you won't find in just any device. It's the Renpho Active Thermacool massage gun. From deep tissue relief to innovative hot and cold therapy, this gadget promises to be a game changer for muscle recovery and relaxation. So let's get right into unboxing this beauty and see what's included. Facing the camera. Oh wow. So it's already packaged in its carrying case. First of all, the main feature attraction is the massage gun right here. Nice. It's got a nice metal finish. Got a bit of weight to it. Looks good. Very sleek. Premium metal finish. We have the instruction manual. USB cable for charging. Support. And also 5 massage heads, including the exclusive heating and cooling attachment. That should be this one right here. Everything you need is right here in the box. Okay, so let's talk about what makes this gun so special. You've got deep tissue relief. It features a powerful brushless motor with up to 3,200 RPMs and 10 millimeter penetration, perfect for working out stubborn muscle tension. Hot and cold therapy. With a heating and cooling massage head, it reaches up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit or down to 47 degrees Fahrenheit for tailored muscle recovery. Now, if you're familiar with Celsius like me, that's about 45 degrees Celsius to about 8 degrees Celsius, hot and cold. Quick charging. Number 3, it supports 15 watts power delivery fast charging, so it's fully powered in just 1.5 to 2 hours. Ergonomic and silent. The ultra quiet brushless motor operates at just 40 decibels, and the ergonomic handle ensures you can easily reach any muscle group. And don't forget the 5 customizable heads. You get 5 heads to target specific muscle groups for maximum relief. So what I'm gonna do is take a few days, use the massage gun on myself, and then I'll get back to you with how it works and how well it works. Okay, I've been using the Active Thermacool massage gun for a few days and it has been awesome. For me personally, I used it after leg day and it's been about 2 weeks since I last had leg day. So my glutes were really needed some loosening up and I applied the massage gun to it and there was relief that felt really good. My wife actually used the massage gun. She had a project to work on and she was hunched over and her lower back was sore by the end of the day. I was like, here, try this. Maybe you'll feel better. And she was like, oh man, this is awesome. She's like, where did you get it? And I told her, I got it and all that. And she's like, well, I hope you give it a good review. So wonderful, deep tissue relief. After a tough workout, you can feel the muscle soreness go away. The hot and cold attachment is really cool. That's this right here. I didn't use this a lot, but the way it works is amazing. So this will do hot and cold, and the hot and cold each have 3 levels of coolness and heat, and it works amazing. It actually heats up and you actually feel it cool when you using those temperatures. So this works wonderful. Battery life is fantastic. Full charge, like it's still on a full charge. So it's got a very decent sized battery by the looks of it as I've been using it. Now also, you don't have to take my word for it. Average reviews on Amazon, 4.6 out of 5. It's a really highly rated product. I also want to share with you, Renpho, the company that makes this, was founded in California in 2015. And on the website, it says it's their mission to make superior quality fitness and wellness products to make people feel great and made accessible to all. And this truly is a great working product. It's wonderful. I highly recommend it. It's great to have. Whether you're an athlete dealing with muscle tension or just looking for a way to relax at home, the Renpho Active Cool massage gun is worth every penny. Ready to take the plunge? Get yours today using the link in my description box. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of this massage gun? I'll see you in the next video, and ciao for now.